Welcome students. In the series of fraction, today we are going to learn addition and subtraction of fraction. At first we will learn to add like fractions. Like fractions means fractions with same denominator. For example, just see here 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7. Here denominators are 7 in both fractions. So when we add these two kind of fractions which are like fractions, we will write same common denominator which is 7 and we will just add normally. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So our answer will be 5 by 7. In similar way, to subtract like fractions means fractions with same denominator, we will subtract normally. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. It is the numerator and denominator will be same, 4. So our subtraction 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4 equals to 1 by 4. Now your first question is this. 2 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 4 by 11. Here the common denominator is 11 and we have to add numerators. So 2 plus 5 plus 4 and we will write the common denominator as denominator. Now we will add the numerators. That is 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 by 11 equals to 1. Now next question is 19 by 25 minus 6 by 25 minus 3 by 25. So here denominator is same, 25 is the denominator, so we will write the common denominator 25 and in numerator 19 minus 6 minus 3. So we will solve this part of numerator. 19 minus 6 equals to 13. It means 13 minus 3 by 25. Now 13 minus 3 equals to 10. 10 by 25. Now we can uh, get the simplest form of 10 by 25 by dividing common factor. And the common factor of 10 and 25 is 5. So we will divide by 5 in numerator also and in denominator also. So we will get 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. To add fractions with different denominators. So here is the question 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6. Here denominators are different. So what we need to do? Yes, we need to first calculate the LCM of 2 and 6. So what is the LCM of 2 and 6? We will use common division method. 2 and 6 is here. We will divide by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Now what is the LCM? LCM equals to 2 multiplied by 3 which is equals to 6. Now here we have two methods. Either with the help of this LCM find out the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2 and then we will add simply. Either there is one more method which I am going to tell you right now. We will write this LCM as denominator here 6. Now we will divide in 6 by 2. 2 threes are 6. We will write 3 here and multiply this numerator 1. Then sign of plus. Then 6 ones are 6. So we will write 1 here, multiply this numerator. Now we will solve this. Always do multiplication first. 3 ones are 3 and 1 ones are 1. So we will write 3 plus 1 divided by 6. So here 6 is the denominator and 3 plus 1 equals to 4 is the numerator. So our new fraction is 4 by 6. It is our sum. But we can simplify it also because there is a common factor which is 2. So we will divide numerator and denominator by common factor 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So it is 2 by 3. We can understand addition by one more question. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Here is also denominators are different. So what we will do? We will write 3 and 6 here and we will find out LCM. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Because 3 is a common divisor of 3 and 6. Now LCM will be 3 multiplied by 2. It means 6 is the LCM. Now what we will do? We will write LCM as denominator here 6. Now 3 we will divide in 6 by 3. 3 twos are 6. So we will write 2 here. Multiply this numerator plus 6 ones are 6. We will write 1 here. Multiply this numerator here. Now 2 twos are 4 plus 1 ones are 1. So here 4 plus 1 by 6. Now 4 plus 1 equals to 5. 5 by 6 is our sum. Take one more example. 1 by 2 plus 5 by 12. So here 2 and 12 are denominators. We will find out the LCM of 2 and 12. So here common divisor is 2. So we will write 2 here and we will divide it. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Now there is no common divisor. That's why we will find out LCM by multiplying 2 and 6, which is equals to 12. So LCM equals to 12. Now we will write this LCM as denominator here. Now what we need to do? We will divide in 12 by 2. 2 6 are 12. We will write 6 here. Multiply this numerator 1 here plus 12 ones are 12. We will write 1 here. Multiply this 5 here. So here 6 ones are 6 plus 5. It means 6 plus 5 by 12 and 6 plus 5 equals to, we know that is 11. So 11 by 12 and it is the simplest form because there is no common divisor of 11 and 12. So it is our answer. Now take one more example. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 12. Now again what we need to find out first? LCM of denominators. So denominators are 2, 3, 12. And what are the common divisor? What is the common divisor of 2, 3 and 12? No, there is no common divisor of all these three numbers. But yes, for any two number, we have common divisor. So at first, we will take the smallest prime number 2. So we will write 2 here. 2 ones are 2. 3 as it is. 2 6 are 12. Now we will divide by 3. 3 ones are 3. 1 as it is, 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Now there is no common divisor, so we will stop here and we will find out the product of common divisor and remaining numbers, which is the LCM, which is equals to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. It means equals to 12. Now what we will do? Yes, we will write down this LCM as denominator. Now 2 6 are 12. We will divide in 12 by 2. 2 6 are 12. Multiply. We will write this numerator 1 here plus 3 4s are 12. Multiply. We will write this numerator 1 here plus 12 ones are 12. Multiply by 1. Now 6 ones are 6 plus 4 ones are 4 plus 1 ones are 1 and by 12. It is our denominator. Now we will solve this numerator. 6 plus 4 plus 1, which is equals to 11. It means 11 by 12 is your sum and it is the simplest form. Let us take one more question. 2 by 5 plus 4 by 15 plus 3 by 30. Now here denominators are 5, 15, 30. So here are 5, 15, 30. We will find out the LCM. The common divisor of all these three numbers are 5. Yes. So 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 6 are 30. Now there is common divisor of 3 and 6, which is 3. and we will divide by 3. We will write 1 as it is. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Now there is no common divisor of any two number except 1. So we will stop here and we will find out LCM. 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 30. Right? Now LCM is our new denominator. We will write 30 here. Now we will divide in 30 by 5. 5 6 are 30. We will write 6 here. Multiply numerator plus 15 twos are 30. Multiply numerator plus 30 ones are 30. Multiply numerator. Now we will solve this. Always do multiplication first. 6 twos are 12. 4 twos are 8. 1 threes are 3. So 12 plus 8 plus 3 by 30. Now we will solve this numerator part. 12 plus 8 20. 20 plus 3 23. 23 by 30. And it is the simplest form. Now one more question. 5 by 14 plus 19 by 21 plus 47 by 84. What are the denominators here? 14, 21 and 84. So at first we will find out the LCM. 14, 21 and 84. What is a common divisor for all? Yes, 7. 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21 and here 7 twelves are 84. Now what is the common divisor of all? There is no common divisor for all three numbers, but yes, for any two number there is a common divisor 2. So we will divide by 2. 2 ones are 2, 3 as it is, 2 6 are 12. Now there is common divisor of 3 and 6, which is 3. So we will divide by 3. 1 as it is. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Now there is no common divisor other than 1. So we will stop here and we will multiply 7, 2, 3 and 2. And we will find out the LCM, which is equals to 84. Now this LCM will be our denominator. So we will write 84 in the denominator. Now we will divide in 84 by 14. 14 6 are 84. We will write 6 here. Multiply numerator 5 plus 21 4s are 84. Multiply numerator 19 plus 84 ones are 84. Multiply numerator 47. Now 6 5s are 30 plus 4 19s are 76 plus 47 by 84. Now we will add all these three. So here it is 153 by 84. Right? Now what we need to do? Yes, we will divide by common divisor and we will find the simplest form of fraction. So to find out the simplest form, let us divide by common divisor, which is 3. And here 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 and here 3 2s are 6 and 3 8s are 24. Now 51 by 28, which is improper fraction, and we can convert it into mixed fraction also. So we have already learned how to convert in mixed fraction. We will just divide in 51 by 28 and we will find out the mixed fraction, which is 1 and 23 by 28. Now let us solve few questions of subtraction. Subtraction with different denominators. Here is one question, 7 by 12 minus 4 by 9. Here 12 and 9 are denominators and we will find out LCM first. LCM of 12 and 9. What is a common divisor? Yes, 3. So we will divide by 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Now 4 and 3. There is no common divisor of 4 and 3. So we will stop here and we will multiply this common divisor and remaining numbers. So here it is. Your LCM will be 36. So we will write 36 as denominator here and we will divide in 36 by 12. 12 3s are 36. Multiply by 7 minus 9 4s are 36. Multiply by 4. 3 sevens are 21 minus 4 fours are 16 by 36. Now 21 minus 16 equals to 5 by 36. So it is our difference of these two fractions. Now take one more question. 7 by 8 minus 5 by 12. At first we will find out LCM of 8 and 12. So here LCM of 8 and 12. What is the common divisor of 8 and 12? Yes, 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 6 are 12. And what is the common divisor of 4 and 6? Yes, 2. So we will divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. But there is no common divisor of 2 and 3 other than 1. So we will stop here and we will multiply these common divisor and remaining numbers to find out LCM. So LCM will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 24. This 24 will be our new denominator. Now we will divide in 24 by both the denominators. 8, when we divide 24 by 8, 8 3s are 24. So we will write 3 here, multiply this numerator, sign of subtraction minus 12 2s are 24. We will write 2 here, multiply this numerator. Now 3 7s are 21 minus 2 5s are 10 by 24. So 21 minus 10 equals to 11 by 24. It is a subtraction. Now take one more example. 11 by 12 minus 5 by 9. Here 12 and 9 are denominators. We will find out LCM first. 12 and 9. What is a common divisor? Yes, 3 is a common divisor. So we will divide by 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Is there any common divisor of 4 and 3? No. So we will stop here and we will find out the LCM by multiplying common divisor and remaining numbers. So LCM will be 3 into 4 into 3. It means equals to 36. So 36 our denominator now. So 36 at the place of denominator. Now we will divide by 12 in 36. 12 3s are 36. Multiply by numerator 11 minus 9 4s are 36. So we will write 4 here. Multiply this numerator. Now we will solve this. 3 11s are 33 minus 4 5s are 20. So 33 minus 20 by 36. So here 13 by 36. So it is your difference after subtraction. Now take one more question. 3 by 14 minus 4 by 21. Here 14 and 21 are the denominators. So we will find out the LCM of 14 and 21. We will divide by common divisor. So what is the common divisor of 14 and 21? 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. Now is there any common divisor of 2 and 3 other than 1? No. So we will stop here. Now we will find out the LCM. 7 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. So here 7 2s are 14, 14 3s are 42. So here LCM equals to 42. So we will write here 42 here and 14 3s are 42 multiply by this numerator minus 21 2s are 42 multiply by 4. So here 9 minus 8 by 42. And 9 minus 8 equals to 1. 1 by 42 is your answer. Let us do subtraction for 3 fractions. 9 by 10 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So what are the denominators? 10, 5 and 2. At first we will find out the LCM of 10, 5, 2. Here 10, 5, 2. Is there any common divisor for all? No, but there is common divisor for any 2. So we will take 2. 2 5s are 10, 5 as it is and 2 1s are 2. Now here is a common divisor for these two numbers which is 5. So we will divide by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5 and 1 as it is. No, now LCM will be 2 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 10. This LCM will be our new denominator. So we will write 10 here. Now 10 ones are 10 multiply by this numerator minus 5 twos are 10 multiply by this numerator 1 minus 2 fives are 10. We will write 5 here multiply by this numerator. Now 1 nines are 9 minus 2 ones are 2 minus 5 ones are 5 by 10. We will solve this. 9 minus 2. At first 9 minus 2, which is equals to 7. 7 minus 5 equals to 2. So 2 by 10. And we know that we can simplify this by dividing by 2. So here 2 divided by 2 equals to 1 and 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. So 1 by 5. Take one more question. 11 by 15 minus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 3. So here is the denominators 15, 5, 3 and the LCM for these we will find out by common divisor. So is there any common divisor for all these three numbers? No. But yes, for any two number there is a common divisor. So let us take 3. 3 5s are 15, 5 as it is and 3 ones are 3. Now we will divide by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 and 1 as it is. So our LCM will be 3 5s are 15. So this 15 will be our new denominator. So we will write 15 in denominator here. And now 15 divided by 15 equals to 1. So 1 multiply by this numerator minus 5 3s are 15. We will write 3 here multiply by this numerator minus 3 5s are 15 multiply by 1. So here 1 11s are 11 minus 3 2s are 6 minus 5 1s are 5. So here 11 minus 6 minus 5 by 15. So 11 minus 11 0. So here 0 by 15 and we know when we divide in 0 we get 0 is answer. So 0 divided by 15 equals to 0. So this is the subtraction and addition of fractions with same denominators and with different denominators. So goodbye my dear students and do practice.